Plug it in, Joe. We'll see what happens.
Hey everybody, welcome back. And today, well, got an Astor, another one. This is the Astor FP, and late 40s again, pretty sure. I will check. This one's both broadcast and shortwave, and I mean, it looks almost identical to the JJ. So yeah, this one's in tip-top condition, and it's got a brand new power cord already attached to it, so I think someone's, well, definitely been at it. And our 4 knobs, and what have we got? What's this? Looks like on-off. That's probably volume. What's this? That'd be band. And tuning. Yeah, somebody's been at it because they've restrung the dial and they've done it in reverse. So turning to the left, I expect the dial to go to the left, but no, it's going to the right. Anyway, I might fix that up, but let's have a look at the back. And yeah, very nice. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 5 valves, probably 5Y3, probably 6V6, and whatever the hell they are. And we'll find out. So I'll get it out of the case, and we'll see what's been done to it, and if we can get it working again. Okay, here we go. Let's pull it out. And, oh yeah. Let's get that out of the way. And, yeah, very nice condition. And let's have a look at the speaker. Oh yeah, a bit of repair work there. Still got a little hole in there. Fix that up. Looks okay. And what's happened underneath? And yes, it has been worked on. Not sure how long ago. It looks like a good job. I'm hoping. But let me see, so okay, yeah, filter cap I guess, so that's one. I noticed there were 2 cap cans in there, and good, he's cut the first one out of circuit, and I'll see the second one somewhere, but I'd say that's gone as well. And that's probably a grid bypass, I'm guessing. No, who knows? No, filter cap. So that's good. And choke, all in good order, I think. Well, I'll still run some tests on it, and power test and see that it is working, and I suspect the thing is. And I don't think there's too much wrong with it. She replaced virtually all the, we replaced all the caps, or the person that's done it, and most of the resistors as well. So yeah, look okay, it looks good. I'll just set myself up to run some power tests and check that the speaker's working. Why not? You know, stick to my procedure. I'm comfortable with that. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so we'll go to the 5Y3, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And the HT, high voltage, will be on pins 4 and 6. I'm starting to remember. So there they are. Let's go to AC voltage, and turn the variac on. Let's see what we get. A bit of power. Already up to 150 volts. So nice. And we've got 5 volts for the 5Y3, and that's pins 1, or is it, no, pin 2, and pretty sure pin 8. big guess on my part without looking it up in the book. But let's see what we get. Yeah, 1.5. Sort of gotten to know, I'll give it a bit of a turn. That's where I expect, you know, that 1 volt to come up. And of course then we've got 6.3, and I'll just go to the dial globe. It's just easy to get to, and positive on there, and the black lead against the chassis, and let's see. Yep, well, that's working too. Well, what will we do? Oh yep, speaker, and hopefully it works. Where are we? Please, I'll try and get the camera in there. So down here we've got looking. Yep, blue and red wire coming from the speaker, and the red wire just goes up here. Blue wire's attached to one of the pins on the 5x3. And power up. It's working. Oh, just one other test I thought I'd do is just check to make sure the choke is not an open circuit, and pretty sure from what I can see the yellow and black wire are the choke. So just look for resistance reading on it. I'm guessing say 500k or 500 ohm. Yeah, 560. So anyway, that's working. Good. Alright, now what I will also do is we'll just monitor the one of the filter caps, and I think we'll go with the first one here. Positive there, negative. Alright, let's give it some power and see what happens. Let's turn that to DC as well. So 70 volts. I can see the globe lights coming up. Current limit is good. No shorts that we can see. $150 volts. DC voltage is building up. Where's volume? Make sure that's not flat out. 180 volts. I didn't connect the antenna. Oh well. $218 volts, 220, 233. That should be enough. And nothing. Ah, well, let's work out why. So I will set this up and we'll check the valves. Never know, could be them. Okay, I've got some power running to it, so all the valves are lighting up. It's something anyway. So before I just had another thought, and wasn't getting any sort of sound out of it at all, so I just opted for excuse me, hopefully a quick fix on it, and swap out the 6v6. Just because it's glowing doesn't mean it's not doesn't mean it is working, of course. So another one in its place. Hopefully that works. And again, I'm just going to assume at the moment that the person that rewired this, or sorry, recapped it, did it correctly. And let's just give it some power. Uh, 220 volts will do. So let's see if we're getting anything out of the... oh yeah. Yep, definitely good. Okay, so... oh, what's this? Oh, that's tone. Okay, that's the band switch. Oh yeah. Alright, it does work. I don't have to worry about, and it's working well too. I don't have to worry about tracing out the circuit. I probably will though, well, to the best of my ability anyway, and I'm more concerned with the filter caps, that's all been wired up correctly. So I will do that, and then I'm probably going to replace the filter caps, and if I'm right, they're both 10s, and I'm pretty sure one of them's got to be a 16. But anyway, I'll check the schematic, and we'll come back and see what we do, and check the other resistors, I guess. And really not a lot to do with this one. At least it's working. That's great. Yeah. Well, I changed the filter caps, and according to the schematic, an 8UF, and just up there, a 16. And the previous guy had two 10s in there. I guess that's all he had on deck. And I had a look around and look on the schematic, and I've checked out the filter cap setup, and it is all correct. So the cathode feeds not only the 8UF, positive there, it also goes to the choke, which I can see clearly. There's to the 8UF, and there's one wire of the choke, and as we can see, it goes off to earth, but so does the 0.05 go off to earth. But the 0.05, let's look at it, it's connected to the 16. And here's our 16, and there's our, not 0.25, but 0.22, because we don't have 0.25s, and they're both earthed. And of course, the other important thing is the wire comes off the positive and goes to the other wire of the choke. So our circuit is complete. So getting used to sussing these things out from the schematic, and it took me about 5 minutes to work it out, looking at this mess here. But the radio works well. I've changed a couple of resistors, that was the old ones that were out of spec, and this one has been really easy. I was a bit concerned at the beginning when there was absolutely no sound, but again, luckily, it was just simply the output valve, the 6V6, had shit itself, and yeah, pays. Just change it, see what happens if you've got no sound. I expected some crackling from the volume pot. Anyway, where are we? Let's get some strong stations here.
Are your team's building construction qualifications up to date? Train with the best. Master Builders Victoria. Back to work.
Anyway, super radio, absolutely super. On shortwave, I don't think we'll get anything. And then my antenna. Oh, we're getting stuff. Static. But anyway, who cares? All you can listen to here, down here, Radio China, if you can get it. And we don't really need to listen to that, do we? So, that's it.
What's been happening?
Where's my station? Sorry, distracted. Anyway, again, it turned out to be easy, and that's good. And from what I can see, the workmanship, very good. Not that I'm the best, but he's done a good job, and it all works. And this is going to go on for years to come, this radio, that's for sure. Anyway, guys, nice short one, but they do happen, and without any major hiccups. So I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you soon. Bye.